Hi guys, it's Mari, and I'm gonna send this to my Twitter, but I think I might upload it to YouTube. I don't know yet. But today I have my ATEEZ light stick here, Lightiny, this little baby right here. I ordered it a week ago, and it did take a bit, and it didn't ship out until Wednesday. And I got here in literally like, what day is it? Thursday? Literally a freaking day, bro. DHL is not playing, and KQ is not playing. So it was gonna come next week, but then they came in today, so I was like, I got it. I got two, but the other one's for a giveaway. I look like a cowgirl or something. I just got my hair yellow and everything. But this is the baby. This is my child, my second child. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Try not to hurt it. The box like felt like way too light, the one where it shipped it in, and I was like, there better be two in here. I swear there better be two in here. But there is. Hallelujah. Okay, there's that. This box is amazing. I already have batteries from my past light sticks, and they take triple A batteries, like so. 3 of them. I'm gonna save this. Oh, I thought I had scissors, but I don't. Oh, I do actually. Safety first. We're gonna be careful because this box is beautiful. I was gonna wait to get it at the concert, but you know the concert got postponed because of Rona, and I was gonna get it at the concert. Didn't buy it the first batch when they let these out, and I was like, if they do not sell them at the venue, I will riot. But then I saw that they were selling them online for like a second batch because they sold out so fast. I'm gonna cry because literally on April 13th when they were releasing them, it was 2 p.m. their time and it was 2 a.m. my time. So I was like freaking out. I was like on Twitter, like in my group chat, I was like, where's the link? Because I bought it off of Yes24 because my music taste was too expensive and then everybody else was just too expensive. This was like $30 when light sticks are normally $60 or $50, but I was so happy with this. If you hear my mom, sorry, but I stayed up till 2 a.m. I was so tired. It was like almost like 2:20 or 2:30, and I finally found a link because one of my friends put it in a group chat, and I was like, finally I found a link. So I pressed it, put all my information in, yada yada yada, bought 2, and I was like, and I was just so happy. I was crying because this is one of my old groups is light sticks. I have 4 as of right now: NCT, Stray Kids, Super M, and now Lightiny. So, oh my god, she's so beautiful. They put so much effort in this. Does it come with a box? Does it come with like a bag? No, it doesn't. Oh my god, and it comes with a light strap. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Let's put you down there, box. Beautiful box. Okay, there's the strap. I'm gonna unbox the strap first. You know what? I went to Stray Kids' concert and the light strap, one of these little things, like came out. Like their little strap is so flimsy. It's like some type of string that you buy off of like a yarn store, like a craft store. I don't know, but JYP, that strap, I was like, JYP, I want my money back. I was like at the concert, and I was like, I literally stood in line and I ran to the line to get merch, and I literally bought merch for like 6 of my friends. They all just threw me their money and I like bought all their merch for them, but with their money, you know. I was like, JYP, oh, one of my nails came off. They're just like fake attached on nails, so I don't even care if they come off right now. I love my Lightiny, I don't even care. Freaking stuff is glittery inside. Anyway, his nails are gonna come off. Oh my god. Shut the front door, yo. Wait, how do I attach the little stringy thing to it? Maybe that's where the manual comes in handy. Yeah, maybe that's where that comes in handy. I just want to know how to put this on. It doesn't say. I don't know how to put this on. I don't know. We're gonna figure that out, but I don't know how to put the light strap on. Okay, so here's the light stick. This baby. She's kind of like flimsy. I don't know. Beauty guru mode on. And then little stuff in here is like shaky. Oh, that is so freaking cool. ATEEZ is best. Okay, we're gonna do this. Take this off. Oh my god, I put a big ass screw on it. Do that. And we're gonna put the batteries in. Which way do you go? I'm not good with batteries whatsoever. Okay, that's it. You gotta go back on? No. See, with the bottom of these light sticks, they confuse the tar out of me. I'm like gonna do this off camera. Finally got it. One of the batteries were off. Okay, and it turned on when I accidentally pressed it. But here's this. I swear there's a bottom piece of the light sticks to put this on, but I'm not sure how to put the strap on. Okay, there's that. There's the light mode. And then there's the flashing mode. There's the strobe one. And Aurora mode. This is so beautiful, yo. ATEEZ is like my ultimate group at the moment, and just to have this, oh my god, it has 18/10/24 on it. They're literally debuted in my birth month. Like, what? This is so beautiful. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, blue is my favorite color. God, I have like a world on it. Hey, there's Florida. Can't see it, but there's Florida. Little Florida right there. I'm surprised ATEEZ didn't come to Florida, but that Gumbe would have been amazing in Florida. And then it's off. So that is my Lightiny review. And guess what? I'm going to decorate this. I literally have a decal for it, which is Wooyoung. And then I'm going to paint it. And it's just going to be so beautiful. And I'll show the finished reveal maybe, you know? So there's that. And I'm going to the Atlanta concert, so if you see me there, I might have a different hair color, but I'll see you next year because we don't know what's going on. Stay safe, stay clean, social distance. We will get through this, and the world will be a better place after this is over. And we will go to our concerts. So be on the lookout for that. See ya. Bye.